Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 12.3 question number 9. So what is given in the question number 9? In figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle. The figure is given here. AB is this and CD are two diameters of the circle with center O, and these two diameters are perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. There is another circle OD that is inscribed in this bigger circle. If OA equals to 7 centimeter, OA means this side is OA, sorry, this radius is equals to 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So there is the solution of this question. So you can check here what we want to find. In this question we want to find this area, the area of the shaded region, and this also shaded, and this circle. So what will we do? We will find out the area of these two shaded regions, and I will add the area of circle in these two shaded region. I will get the area of the shaded region. So you can check here, the radius is given here as 7 centimeter. This is the 7 centimeter radius. O center is here. So OA, OB, OC and OD all are the radius. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7. Now this is also 7. Means radius of the bigger circle is the diameter of the smaller circle. So the diameter of the smaller circle is 7 centimeter. The radius will be 7 by 2. I want to calculate the area of the smaller circle. It will be pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. And what will be r? If the diameter is 7, the radius will be r by 2. That is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 and 7 will be cancelled out. 2 and 12 will be cancelled out. It will become 11. 11 7s are 77 by 2. 38.5 centimeter square. I am getting the area of smaller circle. Now you can check here. I want to find this shaded area. So how will I find that? You can see that this is a semicircle. In the semicircle, if I subtract the area of ACB, I will get the area of the shaded region. How will I do this? You can check here. ACBOA is a semicircle, and the area of the semicircle is half pi r1 square. So what is that? What is r here? Now the r is 7. So 1 by 2, 22 by 7, the value of pi. R1 square means 7 into 7, and after doing the cutting it will goes on 11. 7 will be cut on the 7, and I am left with 11 and 7, and the area of the semicircle will be 77 centimeter square. Now we can see I can find very easily the area of this triangle. How will I find that? I know the area of a triangle. I know the area of the triangle is half into base into perpendicular height, or the corresponding height. The base is 14, corresponding height is 7. So I will put the formula. I will put the base and the height in the formula, and I will get the area of ABC. Then I will subtract this ABC from the semicircle. I will get the area of these two shaded regions, and then I will add this shaded area in the smaller circle area. So in the next page the solution is there. You can check here. You can see here in this what is given. According to that, area of the right angle triangle, as we have done in that triangle ACB, half into base into height. What was the base? It was 14 multiplied by 7. 2 and 14 will be cancelled out. 7 into 7 is 49 centimeter square. Now I want to calculate the area of the shaded region. Shaded region means I want to calculate the area of firstly these two regions. These two regions, how will I calculate the area? I will subtract this triangle from the semicircle, then I will get the area of these two shaded region. So area of the shaded region ACB. So it will be area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of semicircle I have calculated on my previous page, that is 77 minus 49, it will be 28 centimeter square. Now the total shaded area. Total shaded area is, this is 28, this is 77. I will add this 28 in the 77. I will get the area of the total shaded region of this figure. So total shaded area of the smaller circle, that is not 77, sorry. 77 the area of the semicircle. You can check that the area of the smaller circle is 38.5. I will add 38.5 in the shaded region, that is 28. The after adding these two, I'm getting the area as 66.5 centimeter square. So this was the solution of my question number 9. That is a very important question. In the same manner, I can do the question number 10 and 11, and I will do the 12th question in my further videos. So thank you very much for watching my video.